Hey everybody, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. And I want to thank all my subscribers for watching. I want to ask you, when we do a video, if you like it, if you're a subscriber, please hit the like button. That makes a lot of difference in what YouTube does with my video. If I get a thumbs up, they share it more. So the more shares I get, the more videos I'll be able to make. So I love making videos, but I like my subscribers at least, and I have 15,000. If my subscribers will just give me a thumbs up, what that does is that tells YouTube that people like my video, and they will then put it more up front of the other videos so people can see what I'm doing. And I want everybody to be able to see what I'm doing here. I'm going to take this old mobile home, I'm going to make it amazing just by putting a roof on this thing. I've had some issues on the inside with leaks. So watch this video. I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. We do a lot of this kind of stuff. We go all over the place. We are heading to Alabama June 15th. So that's like a week and a half away. So be watching for my video. I'll be making one all the way from Alabama. And my zip code is 28461. We will travel up to about 10 hours to do this to your house if it's something you're interested in. Thanks for watching this video. There'll be 2 or 3 parts because my phone only lets me make 15-minute videos. And in order for me to get everything, which I want to do on this one, everything, we're going to show you how we go from the porch to the roof, here and the other side. So watch this video from the beginning to the end. I'm going to show details of everything, and guess what? We got a surprise visit from our Phantom 4 today. It's going to come by and catch a little bit of this on video. So Phantom 4 coming soon. All right, so this is how we start every one. This one here where I'm walking, a little dangerous. The plywood is all rotted. You can see where they made the connection. They just kind of tarred it down, threw a piece of metal up under there, ended up rotting. Did them good for a while, I'm sure. Then this is what you end up with later, rotten wood. So we're starting this trailer just like we start every trailer. So if you're doing your own, first thing you want to do, find all your rafters. And if you notice, he's putting going down to both sides of it, because we want to find both sides of the rafter and mark the center of it. And this is where we find them. And yeah, it kind of seems crazy. We're making a bunch of holes in the roof, but it's getting a new roof on it. So that's the whole purpose. We tried a stud finder. One of my viewers said, hey, try a stud finder. But apparently there's a better one than I had, because it just didn't go through this metal like we like it. Some of these you're going to run into have a strap on them like this, and your rafter's got to be right where the 2 pieces of metal join. And of course this one here, as you can tell, they've been having problems with all the seams, and this is generally because of being walked on. So once you've walked on it so many times to the point where you have to start putting seam glue on this thing or whatever, then it's gone too far. So time for call Drew. Let's put a rubber roof on that thing. So this is really one of the most important parts. What we're doing is we're sticking it in, and then we curve it a little bit so we can touch the side of the 2x4. See, he knows that it's touching. He knows that it's touching. Mark the center. Everybody's doing that right now up here. You got John right here. Go, John, go. And we are still being careful what we walk on. All the rafters on this particular one are 16 on center. Super careful. Billy is going down through here making his marks, just like Paul was. Looking for the outside edge. Found it. Mr. Watson. thing. We're gonna go down through the whole entire trailer doing this until we find it. Find the centers. We'll do that on all the bottom edges. And
this right here, I'm not for sure if it's got a double or a triple.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Once we get that, because it has a curve on it, we need to go to the top and put one up at the top. So we're gonna go down through the whole middle, putting holes. The next step, take a pair of tin snips, go to your electrical panel on the inside of your house, find out where it is. As soon as you find out where it is, you want to go straight above it on the roof and cut a hole in the roof, 12 inches, 2 foot by 2 foot, whatever you need. You just want to see where the wires are running. Make sure they're running underneath the rafters. If you go back and look at some of my previous videos, or if you type in YouTube, worst mobile home roof ever, fire danger, you'll see a video that will show you things that you might run into if you do your own. And this is very serious. Check out that video. Mobile home roof repair, fire danger, and you'll see my video showing exactly what's going on. So before you go do your own, make sure you type in that. Throughout this video, I will be telling you about different things to look for if you do your own roof, or if you have a contractor somewhere where I don't come to do your roof. Then you want to look at this whole video, because I do show details about what you want to look for, what you might have trouble with on your roof. Like I said, like I'll tell you later on in the video, go to worst mobile home roof, fire danger, and you'll see an example of one of my roofs that we ran into that had all wiring exposed, that we had to tear the tin off and run strapping on. So that would be one example where we would run strapping. So watch the whole video so you can get these tips. To start with, you're gonna have to get rid of these. These are the pipes. Best way to do it. Pour the cable sauce on. Gone. Then you're gonna cut a hole for that when you put the plywood in. These, when you start taking them out, you're gonna be flat bar. Try to take them out carefully, because you're just gonna repaint them and put them back. Unless they're rusted, then you replace them. All you're gonna find around these things is a bunch of mastic, caulking, whatever, like this. So you're just gonna peel that old cool seal off and all that other crap, and pull out your little screws. These are quarter bit driver. So that's what Paul has in there. It's called a quarter driver. This is a quarter screw by maybe 3/8. Take all the screws out. You're gonna reuse that thing. Do not throw it away unless it's rusted up and beat up. Clean it up, clean the mastic off the bottom of it, repaint it, put it back on. Except we're gonna use the turn bar screws and not these. And we'll also have mastic underneath, caulking, mastic, whatever we need to do, on top of the rubber.
Like cell? No.
EPDM glue. Yeah, EPDM glue. Seam glue is what it is. So these things come up fairly easy, just like that. There you go. One thing you want to watch for, that's nasty in there, spiders and hornets. Hornets, they'll come out and bust your ass, just saying. Okay. So this is the bathroom fan. Probably wasn't, yeah, it might have worked, it might work. Full of spider webs. Paul just went around this thing carefully, removing the screws with what they call it. We used a quarter bit driver to get these screws out. And yeah, these hands are rough. 58 years old, and I'm still kicking. If I can teach anybody anything, I'm going for it. 5 more years, guys. All right, so Billy and I have started with that chalk box. He's going down to refill it now.
While you're down there, we grab the blower.
The marks that we made. Pop lines. Pop lines. Barely see them, but they're there. Pop lines. That's what you're gonna run your plywood by. If you don't use them, you don't lines right there, you have screwed up. Your plywood will run all kinds of ways, okay? So pay attention. All right, here we are. Sheet number 1. Most important one of all. You want to make sure that you mark your overhang out here. We went with a 6-inch. And we went with a 6-inch past the gutter. That's what it looks like. And everything is square from here to the other side, so we know that run is straight. See my mark? One straight line. That's what you're going to run your plywood to. All these marks here are how long your sheet's going to be. You know that's the center of the rafter. If it's not 8 feet from here to there, cut it to what it needs to be. This is one thing that's important on your roof and every roof. This is what you're going to find. One of the things that's going to be going on in your trailer, and that is going on in this trailer, is this is a seam. You can see it runs across here, and they've tried to seal it. A couple times of getting up here and stepping on that seam, and it will break wide open, and you'll never be able to fix that again, ever. That will always be a leak. So when somebody's walking on your house, make sure they're not walking here. Make sure they're always finding the center. See, center, center. Because if you step in that center, you'll break that seam. You can see this one's already starting to break right here. All been in bad shape. So don't step here unless there's a line there. Lines only. Pay attention to that. The seams are coming apart on this thing. Look at that's what's under. That's rust. At this point, I don't care if this part goes away once I get my plywood on it. Yeah, got our second row going. What I like about the lines on this OSB is that once you get lined up with one of your lines over here, you can generally follow the lines on the OSB to find the centers of your rafters. Other than that, you'd have to pop lines. Of course, you have them on the ends already. As you can see, holes are ready. Most all of them are on the other side. We will be tearing off the shingles. It's a roof vent here. Looks like an old furnace vent. Another roof vent for the bathroom fart fan. So there's 2 of them. Looks like a furnace vent right there. And then we have our pipes for the bathrooms, kitchens, laundry room. Screw in. Everything you're going down, going by the lines that we made, all the lines we made. Follow this process, start to finish. You'll end up with the same results. Hear how solid them screws are hitting. And we are using an 1.25" deck screw. That's a deck screw. Exterior deck screw. Continuously laying plywood,
down 26.25.
getting it tacked on. Till you get done. Notice we have an overhang here. 6 inches. Light boot hole. Full cut. Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me. Paul measured for that piece there. We're gonna keep on rocking on.